Introduction to telemedicine apps.
Telemedicine apps make it possible to consult with a doctor online from the comfort of your home. These platforms offer video calls, secure chat, and digital prescriptions. Popular apps include Teladoc, Amwell, and Doctor on Demand. Using these apps can save you time, provide access to medical experts, and help you avoid unnecessary clinic visits.
Creating an account.
To get started, download your chosen telemedicine app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, then sign up with your email address, mobile number, and a secure password. You may need to provide basic information such as your name, date of birth, and health insurance details to complete your profile.
Choosing a doctor or service.
Once registered, browse through the list of available doctors or specialties. Some platforms allow you to search by symptom, specialty, or availability. You can read profiles, check qualifications, and even see patient reviews. Many apps also let you choose between general consultations and specialist appointments based on your needs.
Booking your virtual visit.
After selecting a doctor, choose a convenient date and time for your appointment. Confirm your booking and provide a brief reason for your visit. Some apps may require upfront payment or insurance information. Once booked, you'll receive an email or in-app notification with details and instructions for your virtual visit.
Preparing for and attending your appointment.
Before your appointment, ensure you have a stable internet connection and privacy. Bring a list of symptoms, medications, and any questions you may have. At the scheduled time, open the app, join the call, and speak with your doctor. Afterward, you may receive a digital prescription, follow-up instructions, or a summary of the consultation.